My name is Holly with Holly's Book Depot with Usborne's Books and more. Today I'm going to be showing you the Farm Animal book. This is a nice hardback book for only $4.99. It is one of the beginner series. This is a nonfiction book with lots of information about different types of farms. This one is on the ranch. This one's about laying eggs, shearing different animals. Here's underwater farms, crocodile farms, and then different terms and glossary for those. There's also websites to visit and an index. So this is in the beginner series of farm animals.